Welcome back, drone enthusiasts. Are you ready to soar into the skies with the best DJI drones of 2025? In today's video, we're diving deep into the top contenders that are redefining aerial photography and videography this year. From stunning 4K resolution to mind-blowing flight times and cutting-edge features, these drones are the cream of the crop. So, grab your controllers and get ready to elevate your flying experience. And don't forget to check out the links in the description below for more details and exclusive deals on these incredible machines. Let's take off. Number 5. Holy Stone HS900. The Holy Stone HS900 is a versatile and user-friendly drone that caters to both amateur and experienced pilots alike. With its sleek design and robust build quality, this drone stands out as a reliable option for capturing stunning aerial footage and enjoying an enhanced flying experience. One of the standout features of the HS900 is its impressive 1080p HD camera, allowing users to record high-resolution videos and capture breathtaking photos from the sky. The camera is equipped with a 120-degree wide-angle lens, providing a broader field of view. Number 4. DJI Avatar. The DJI Avatar represents a significant leap forward in the world of drones, blending advanced technology with user-friendly features to cater to both enthusiasts and professionals alike. This compact and agile drone is designed for immersive flying experiences, particularly in first-person view (FPV) scenarios, making it an exciting option for those looking to capture dynamic aerial footage. One of the standout features of the DJI Avatar is its impressive stability and maneuverability. Equipped with cutting-edge stabilization technology, it allows for smooth flight even in challenging conditions, making it ideal for capturing action shots during activities such as sports or outdoor adventures. The drone's lightweight design further enhances its agility, enabling it to navigate tight spaces and complex environments with ease. The Avatar's camera system is another highlight, boasting high-resolution capabilities that allow for stunning 4K video recording and crisp, detailed still images. This means that users can expect professional quality footage, whether they're filming a scenic landscape or an adrenaline-pumping event. Additionally, the drone supports a variety of intelligent shooting modes, including quick shots and master shots, which simplify the process of capturing impressive cinematic sequences. Number 3. Ruko F11 Pro 2. The Ruko F11 Pro 2 is an impressive drone that has managed to carve out a niche for itself in the competitive drone market. With its sleek and compact design, the F11 Pro 2 combines portability with functionality, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts alike. Equipped with a high-definition 4K camera, the F11 Pro 2 captures stunning aerial footage and sharp images, allowing users to document their adventures with exceptional clarity. The camera's adjustable gimbal stabilization ensures that your shots remain smooth and steady, even in challenging conditions or during high-speed maneuvers. One of the standout features of the Ruko F11 Pro 2 is its impressive flight time. With up to 30 minutes of battery life per charge, you can spend more time in the air and less time worrying about recharging. Additionally, the drone comes with 2 batteries included, effectively doubling your flying time and giving you the freedom to explore more without interruption. The F11 Pro 2 also boasts a range of intelligent flight modes, such as Follow Me, Waypoint, and Gesture Control, making it easier than ever to capture dynamic shots and execute complex maneuvers. These features not only enhance the user experience, but also enable you to unleash your creativity. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro represents a significant leap forward in the realm of consumer drones, combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features that cater to both amateur enthusiasts and professional filmmakers alike. This drone boasts an impressive dual-camera system, including a primary Hasselblad sensor capable of capturing stunning 20mm stills and vibrant 5.1K video at 50 frames per second. The secondary telephoto lens offers an additional layer of versatility, allowing users to zoom in on distant subjects without losing detail. One of the standout features of the Mavic 3 Pro is its extended flight time. With a maximum battery life of up to 46 minutes, this drone enables pilots to cover more ground and capture more footage on a single charge, making it ideal for long shoots in the field. The advanced obstacle avoidance system uses multiple sensors to create a comprehensive 360-degree awareness, ensuring safer flights even in complex environments. Additionally, the Mavic 3 Pro is equipped with intelligent flight modes that simplify capturing cinematic shots. Features such as active track, point of interest, and waypoint navigation allow users to focus on creativity rather than piloting. Whether you're capturing a breathtaking landscape or following an action-packed scene, number 1, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro marks an impressive advancement in the world of compact drones, blending portability with cutting-edge technology. This drone is designed for both hobbyists and professionals alike, offering a remarkable balance of weight, functionality, and performance. Weighing in at just under 250 grams, it is lightweight enough to be taken on any adventure without the hassle of additional registration in many regions. One of the standout features of the Mini 4 Pro is its enhanced camera capabilities. Equipped with a 1.3-inch sensor, this drone can capture stunning 48 megapixel still images and record video in 4K at up to 60 frames per second. The advanced imaging system allows for improved low-light performance, enabling users to shoot clear and vibrant content even in challenging lighting conditions. Additionally, the Mini 4 Pro supports HDR video, providing users with rich detail and dynamic range. Stability and control have also been significantly improved with the introduction of DJI's latest OcuSync technology, which ensures a reliable and high-quality video transmission over extended distances. Users can enjoy a seamless flying experience with a range of up to 12 kilometers, allowing for more adventurous shooting locations without the fear of losing connection.